Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
O Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Siem hakasngini kong ula itho ba hinin kamin hakapor kong ba shposh tang min mit lalap yo wei ubriu uba la sha dung waj bala syam yo hajan ka khradop jong ka BSF battalion kishipai BSF kilapen kit yo shani crims banyo jingerap sumar ban menta udang dan hapdeng ka jing sumar ula itho ba ka step layo jingte balalap ya ka wei ka medyap hamau ka siang uni ubriu udan bon teli ki jing mensaw na ka jing sha dung waj Shushu ulai itu ba kamedyap la penkit na kabenta banle postmortem pala register case halor kani kajingja par kajing dokit kalayat don sewai pat ubriu na kaju kenhun ha kabaya uni lalap hamau tawar ha kapor minmit ha pedeng kijing mensaw ya uru la penkit hospital kumta kapau ba kini kila Ngut kila idon lang ulai itu ya ubalayap la itu kum u shanbor rani.
Actually last night at about 10:30 am there was one person who was stabbed and he was found near the gate of BSF battalion, and BSF personnel took him to Ngut for treatment. Then there was he's undergoing treatment right now, and there was another report in the morning that of one body which was found in Mokasyang. He has multiple stab injuries. The body has been taken to Ngut for postmortem examination. We are registering a case on this matter, and investigation will commence. There was another person who was in the same group who was he was found in Mautawar also at night, and with injuries on his person. So he is also being hospitalized, and so it appears that these three people were together. The deceased is identified. His name is Shanbor Rani. In fact, he was also involved in many cases earlier on, and in offences of murder and under the NPS Act. So we have registered a case, and we will investigate the whole matter. As of now, we cannot say what is this about, whether it's any, what is the motive behind this killing, whether it has to do with whether it has to do with anything to do with the drug trade, or whether it's vendetta killing. Once we investigate, then we will be able to get some clue as to why this killing of Shanbor Rani happened. So the vehicle which was actually recognized belongs to the deceased himself. Okay, yeah, people ketika menu badan ke kita hibrio. Patmai nitip ba kin khambon bagi dan langot kini la de ban khambon ni kata kin langot. Hari la token la salah ke Shah. Kan ngut kidan ke kita hibrio.